Hi, I'm Gemma from Creation Campers. We thought we'd just give you a little tour of one of our latest models. So when we created this design, we had it in mind that we wanted somewhere for a family that'd sleep 4, also have its own shower and toilet facilities, but also more importantly carry larger items like a motorbike or, you know, a big kayak or something like that. So here's what we've come up with. Come in and have a look. Put that there to wipe my feet on. So in here we've got seats, travelling seats for 4. So obviously the front spin back round for travelling. We've got a table. For dining, and then also we've got an extra flap here which can do for the passenger seat. So it's a nice space for all sitting and eating and socialising. So it's quite spacious in here. So we've designed it, if you were to have a large item or a motorbike, there is plenty of space here. And also space to move around in the van during the day. So in our kitchen area, we've got a really good size sink and hob. So this is a Thetford sink and hob. We've also got a really good size fridge and a good size freezer. And then up here, we also have an oven.
Favourite part.
It's got a light. So we've also got loads of storage in the kitchen as well, which is really good. We've got a cupboard there which you can also access from outside. We've got overhead storage here and a big overhead storage compartment there, and also along the front as well. We've also got more storage. It's a bit dusty.
Quite clean.
More little storage.
It's got a TV booster in there as well. So.
And then down here we have our Truma heating system, which does our hot air blown system and the hot water. So that's the Truma 40. We have a television which you can watch from in bed, but also you can swivel it round and you can also watch it from the seating area at the front. So we have a shower room, which has a drop down sink. So be able to create loads of floor space to be able to make it a usable space during the day, we have designed a Murphy bed system. So our bed folds down. So this bed is large enough for 2 adults, which is great. Just have to fight whichever which side you want. But also, we've got a window. So this fully opens, but also obviously you don't want to sleep with your bum against a window. So we've designed this to close it away, and that is solid. So it doesn't matter if you sleep up against it, you're not going to get cold on the window. We've got nice mood lighting all under here, also under here and round the front, and that is colour changeable.
What colour would you like it, darling?
Not red.
Oh, it's like the Starship Enterprise or something.
So we can use this TV for when we're in bed, and it creates a really nice area. So we have our colour changing lights for the side, so we can change these any colour we want and make them flash. We've got our Truma 4E controls for our heating and our hot water, which runs off gas and also electric. And then we have our electric panel, which gives you the state of your batteries and the temperatures, and you can control some lights off it and your tap. And it also tells you when your tank is full.
Yeah, so we've got our water level up top. It's reacting a bit with the old.
So we have our water level, and when our waste tank is full, it'll give us an alert. And then we have our Lpg gas tank, which is underneath the vehicle, so we can switch that on and switch that off here. Full gas. So you might be thinking, where are the 2 extra beds? Because it's a 4-berth van, we can travel 4 and we can sleep 4. So even when you set up in nighttime mode and you've got your bed down, you've still got a massive area to store things. And even you could create this to maybe be a 5th bed. Obviously you can't travel 5 people, but you know, if you met someone along the way or you had friends coming with you, you could throw an airbed or something like that down here and someone else could sleep down there. Or it's a perfect space for a big dog. So you may be thinking, if we've got 2 children who are going to be sleeping up here, how do you get up there? So we couldn't decide where to put a ladder, so instead we made a lift. So also the really good thing about this roof is it's a scenic roof and it opens. So say for instance, if you are a bike racer and you are at the racetrack and your family, like our kids, don't get out of bed, so you can actually open the roof all the way up. You can roll it back. And you can actually sit up here and enjoy the view. Sitting up here, lying in bed, gazing at the stars. It'd just be fantastic. And down we go. Who needs a skylight in your van when the whole roof comes off? So also in this van, we've got Remus blinds on the front window and on the 2 doors, which are fantastic. So we also have up here colour changing lights. It's a bit red at the moment. We have got a heater outlet, so you've got some heat up in the pop roof, and we've also got USBs that side and also USBs this side. Even in the winter, obviously pop tops can be very cold. There's heating up here, so it shouldn't be a problem. So also it opens up as well the windows without you actually opening up the roof. Ta-da, we can see. And then the same on the sides. So you can open this up to be a window, or you can open the window. And these are mesh sides, so you can get in some ventilation. So on a really hot day when it does get warm up here, you can either open it all up, or you can open these up to get some ventilation. Or of a night when you're just laying there and looking at the stars. So it's a really versatile space. Beautiful. And we've also got
A shower.
an awning light. They say it doesn't look bright at the moment,
No.
but when it is dark, it does not give a lot of light off. So there'll be times where you've walked your dog or you're at the beach and you don't want to stand in your van. So what we've put in this van is an external shower point, which is hot and cold, so it's got a mixer tap on it.
Oh, you can wash your van as well.
You can wash your van. Go on then, have a proper shower. No! Yeah, idiot. So we've also got an external socket, which is really handy, you know, like if you're plugging in, like say if you've got like a teppanyaki grill or something, so you can use, or even, obviously, this was designed around a bike racer, so tyre warmers. Perfect place to plug in your tyre warmers.
Yeah.
So under this van, she has a 25 litre, is it a she? Don't know.
May as well.
Yeah,
She hasn't argued back yet, so it's probably a man.
So it's got a 25 litre gas tank underneath. We've also got fresh and waste tanks underneath the van.
What's underneath? What's? Can't remember. Must have other stuff.
Yeah.
It's definitely got stuff underneath.
So we've got, on the other side, we've also got awning. The awning legs can attach from here to the van. So if you're on a hard surface, you don't need to peg into the ground. Round here we've got the electric hookup point.
So we've got the standard hose pipe fill, or if you've got live water, you can plug a hose pipe into it, and it's got like a ball cock within the tank. And we've got like the tank drains and your waste drain there. This is where you fill the LPG up. The underneath tank, that's about it on this side, I think.
There we go. It does fit a Yamaha R6 in. So also when your bike is in the van, I've just worked out You can still open the fridge to get your milk. Or your wine. So also on this van we have solar panels. So it is a full off-grid van because your hot water and your heating can work off your gas. You've got your solar to keep your electric topped up. So it is a go anywhere van really. So we hope you enjoyed the tour. We're going to try and put more van tours on YouTube. We haven't really done much on here at the moment. So hit the subscribe button and follow us on our antics.